Chronicle here today. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Sue's Dumpster. Anyways, today I have a package from Nahiiko. We met at Mahoto Market and oh my gosh, that was an interesting experience. But yeah, she gave me this. This is apparently my late birthday present, so let's get on with the cutting. Okay, I feel bad cutting it, so I'm gonna try just taking the tape off. And fingers crossed that will go. Oh, did you double taped it? Not Nahiiko. Is it also? Oh, never mind. Okay, we'll just take tape off. It doesn't stick now though. Okay, so I cut this out, and actually I am holding just like one hand because I'm too lazy to get my like setup ready for a camera. So I'm sorry this is kind of shaky, and getting things out with one hand is like super hard. And then here's the thing, also Nahiiko said there's something related to like a certain inside joke, so I'm kind of scared. So yeah, okay, that's gifts. I'm assuming that's also gifts, so I think this is the note. Fingers crossed. Or maybe it's not even a note because we met. Ooh, there's a signature right here. Ooh, oh, are these friends? Oh, okay, I totally just spoiled this. I'm sorry I'm being kind of quiet. Okay, yes, this is a note. Also, you know, you gotta appreciate the cat packaging. Like, oh my gosh, look at that fat cat. That's like Mimi. Like, a small head and huge butt. Like, that's totally Mimi right there. Look at this cat. And then look at all of these cats. Oh my gosh, I'm totally saving this. And I'm just gonna be like, I don't want to use it. It's so cute. I don't even think I have this. And I know it's from Daiso, but I've never seen it. Okay. Anyways, here is the note. Says, happy belated birthday, you little bastard. Wow. Whoa, rude. How rude. Okay, JK, I love you. Sorry, been meaning to send this out, but I never got to. No, it's fine. I totally appreciate you even thinking of sending this out to me. Anyways, let's get back onto it. I hope it's not too late. Okay, maybe a bit. No, it's fine. I still hope you enjoy the gift, Sue. I know it's not a lot, but it's all the things you like, so what's not to love? Yes, you can give me cats and I would just be like, yes, cat. I hope you don't mind the ugly ATC. I was trying out my new inking pen and well, it didn't want to cooperate. Sorry about the messy lining and coloring. By the way, I give you an actor. Oh no. See, that's what I mean by something that I'm really scared of. Like, look at that face. Look, this is literally how she looks. Well, I don't know what else to say, but enjoy. I love Nahiiko. And I get those cats. We just need to give like a little cat. Look at them. Okay. Done with the cats. I'm gonna start with the prints. I think these, yeah, they feel like prints. And then we're gonna leave this alone because I feel like this is the big thing. So, but I'm always wrong. So, you know, let's see what's it. I can't scream. Someone's sleeping in the house. Oh my gosh. It's our new Mochi in the flesh. Look at cute little Mochi. And look at my baby Hide. Oh my gosh. It's really weird because Hide's older than me, but it's okay. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm being really quiet. I'm trying to be quiet because someone's sleeping. I don't want to wake them up. But look. So cute. Look, you guys should all follow Nahiiko. Nahiiko has a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to her YouTube. She does artsu like me. And this is my Osi and that's her Osi Mochi. They're a little couple. Oh my god, they're so cute. So cute. It's Victory! Oh my gosh, I remember this. You drew this and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. Like a macachine. Oh my gosh. Look at the little couple. Oh my gosh. Okay, I keep on saying oh my gosh, but I mean, it's just so cute. Nahiiko, why do you do this to me? This is definitely going into like a nice plastic bag. Plastic protection bag thing, and then onto my wow immediately, because I gotta have those. And I need to add this to my, Hide harem, and now there's an extra Mochi in the Hide harem. Yay! And then here's Yutsu. Okay, let's open this up. I am failing itching so bad. I can totally reuse this bag too. Okay, I think I got, oh, no, there's more, oh. Okay, I'm gonna leave those because I think those are the artist trading cards. I'm guessing this is more prints. Oh look, it's a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper. Oh, no. Yes. Look, it's my boy. Yo, get it, Pyocha. Oh my gosh, it's my boy. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is. Okay. And then there's Yurio, so cute. But there's Yorio's cat. So Yorio's cat just like totally owns the show. Look at him. And then there's Yuri, super cute. And then there's Victor and Makachin. Look at Makachin. He's like, and then there's Yuri's cat again. Sorry, I gotta show him again. Because I love Yuri's cat so much. Oh my gosh. Yes, these will also definitely be going onto my wall. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Why did you send him? Why did you send him? You know if you add like Yuri's cat, you're going to kill me. But you just did it anyways. Okay, anyways. Oh, okay. I did not just see what that was, so it's okay. I'm gonna start with stickers, so I think that's original. Oh no, they're stickers! I mean, I knew they were they're the Yuri on Ice stickers that you made. Oh, this video is gonna be so long because I'm gonna be like spasming every so often. Alright, so there's a Makachin, and I totally just saw a tail, so I think that's Yurio's kit. Oh my gosh! Oh, I don't know if I even want to use him. Oh, he might just actually go like stick a piece of tape in the back and just put it on my wall because I don't want to use him. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these are really nice stickers. They're really nice quality. Soft. Okay, this video is just gonna be like me just feeling stickers. That's so weird. And then here's Yuri. And then there's Victor. Oops, Victor. Look how cute Victor is. And then there's Yurio. Like, oh my gosh, so cute. Look at Yurio. But, you know, again, Yurio's cat owns the show. Ba-bam. Okay, and then the last two, I think? Yes. Okay. I'm going to go with this one. Oh, shit. Oh, no. This is not YouTube appropriate, Nahiiko. See, these are pimples. So we got a men pimple, a woman pimple, and this is a ack pimple. Yes, that's what it is. This is our inside joke. Trying to censor this. It's totally a pimple. Nahiiko is not censorable though. We'll just keep this aside. Oh jeez. Ow, it's Mochi! Oh my gosh, no! Mochi is super cute! Oh my gosh, this artist trading card doesn't look bad unless you're talking about your pimples. But yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. What is this? Look how cute Mochi is. Look at those hearts. Man, Hide's gonna have some more Mochi companions. It's not just gonna be a Hide harem anymore. I'm gonna make a Mochi harem. But yeah, anyways, let's do an overview of what she sent me. We got some cute prints, and then pimples, and then some more amazing prints and stickers, and of course, gotta love the cat stationery because, you know, cat stationery rules. So yeah, anyways, you guys better go follow Nahiiko. Link will be in the description for her channel because she is amazing. Don't ever give her your address. She'll stalk you though. But yeah, just be careful. But she's definitely a nice person. She's a really cool person. So you definitely should check her out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Oh yeah, and thank you Nahiiko for sending this. I can't express how grateful I am. And they're all so cute. Okay, anyways, I gotta go. Bye guys!